Welcome and Bruchim Habayim to another Hebrew lesson. In this lesson, I will talk about the translations to the word welcome in Hebrew, how and when to use each of them, the pronunciation, and its meanings. Like in other languages, welcome is a common greeting in Hebrew. The word welcome can be translated to a few phrases in Hebrew. It is also used a lot in modern Hebrew. I will go over all the translations, so by the end of this lesson, you will know how to say welcome in Hebrew. The first translation to the word welcome in Hebrew is Baruch Haba. Baruch Haba is what you say to someone arriving or to a visitor. It is a welcome greeting. You can see it also on signs, restaurants, on doors, etc. An example is welcome to my home. In Hebrew, Baruch Haba Leveiti. This form is the masculine singular form. Baruch Haba. Let me break it down into separate words. Baruch, in this context, roughly means blessed. Ha is the definite article, and Ba translates to the one that is visiting or entering a house, for example. The feminine singular form is Brucha Haba'a. The words are changed to fit the feminine form, but the translation is the same. In Hebrew, like in Hebrew, if we are greeting more than one person, we need to use the plural form. This is the plural masculine form, Bruchim Habayim. The feminine plural form is Bruchot Habaot. Usually, when not certain how many people are visiting or what their gender might be, use the plural masculine version, Bruchim Habayim. Another possible meaning to the word welcome in Hebrew is Bevakasha. Similar to English, it is a polite response to thanks. Bevakasha. A sentence example will be, thank you, you are welcome, and in Hebrew, Toda Bevakasha. Another possible translation to the word welcome is Kabbalat Panim. Kabbalat Panim. Let me give you an English sentence example to demonstrate the usage of the phrase. He will receive a warm welcome. Replace the welcome with Kabbalat Panim in this sentence. That's Kabbalat Panim. It is also close in translation to a reception. Welcome in English is used in more ways. There are translations in Hebrew for those cases, but they are not strongly tied to the word welcome as the examples I provided above. The above three examples are the most used phrases in Hebrew when translating the word welcome. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed the lesson, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Now you know how to speak Hebrew a little better. Thank you for watching.